I am Sanjana, your chemistry teacher, and today we are going to do an activity based on our chapter number 3, that is the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So today I am going to show you the examples or activities based on both of these, the homogeneous and heterogeneous ones. So this is a class I am taking for homogeneous mixture. In this class I am going to mix salt. Okay, so what are homogeneous mixtures? The mixtures which are uniform. Okay, which are the uniform, that means whole of the content, whole of the solution is same. Okay, and you cannot see the constituents. So in this class I am going to take some salt and I am going to mix it. On stirring, you will see after a minute all of the salt will be dissolved in this water. Yes. So now you can see all of the salt is dissolved in the water. You can see from the upper side as well. Okay. So all of the salt is dissolved. So these kind of mixtures in which the form is uni, that means the whole mixture is similar. These kind of mixtures are called as homogeneous mixtures. You can also take the example of sugar solution in this. Okay, so this was the homogeneous. Now I am going to tell you about the heterogeneous mixtures. So heterogeneous mixtures in which you can see the components differently. आप components को differentiate कर सकते हो. And the mixtures are not uniform. Okay, so these are of two types. One is suspension, the other is emulsion. So suspension is when you mix solid, a solid which is not mixable in the liquid. ऐसा solid जो liquid में mix नहीं होता. These kind of substances form what? The suspension heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, so in this glass I am going to mix some of the sand. So I am going to stir it now. On stirring, you will see now some of the particles are moving. They are moving, but after a minute you will see all of the sand will be settled down here and the upper portion of the water will be clear. Okay, it will form a clear upper portion and all of the sand will settle down in the bottom of the glass. So let's give it a rest of 30 seconds and till meanwhile we will do the emulsion process. So in this class we are going to do emulsion. Emulsion means when we mix an immiscible liquid in another liquid. Immiscible liquid means जो mix नहीं होता. So that means if we mix oil in water. I have taken some oil. I will mix some oil in water. Let's see what happens. So I will now stir it. Now you can see even after stirring, all of the oil will just get along on the upper portion of the water. See here, all of the oil is here on the upper portion of the water and the lower portion of the glass is clear. So these kind of mixtures are called as emulsions. Okay, when we mix immiscible liquid in another liquid. These kind of mixtures are called as emulsions. These are also heterogeneous. And now you can see over here. This is the sand. We just gave it a rest of 30 seconds and you can see the sand that has been settled down at the bottom of the glass and whole of the upper portion is different. So this kind of mixture is called as suspensions. Okay. So you can also do these activities at your home and I hope you all get it. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.